crusty gray. Pizza is the pizza, yeah, for you and me. Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyTube. I know I'm on here looking real wild crazy, but I just took my hair out. I don't even know what color my hair is no more, y'all, so we about to fix that. I was gonna put another set of braids in my head, but I was like, nah, let me let my hair breathe. But I'm about to dye my hair, so is it really letting my hair breathe? Who cares? If you know me, you know I genuinely don't care. But I'm finna dye my hair orange, y'all, so I hope y'all ready to see this process, because I'm finna be out here looking like a battery. Yeah. So I asked my friends and people I talk to on a daily basis what shade of orange I should do. And I sent them 4 shades, and the ones that I like that were picked was French Cognac. I don't know if y'all can see, that's like a darker orange. And then I got Sunrise Orange. This is like orange. So I'm gonna probably either mix them or do the darker color, my roots, and then my tips where it's more blonde, or whatever color this is, I'm gonna do this. And we finna get into it. Okay, so I detangled my hair, added some conditioner to it to detangle it. And this is the bleach I'm gonna be using today. I kind of already poured it into the bowl, but this is the bleach I'll use. Quick Blue by L'Oreal. It's up to y'all. Y'all can use any bleach, because I don't even be using the same bleach. And I got this 40 cream developer. It's only a little bit in here, so I'm gonna just finish this bottle. And you already know your girl bought another one, period. And this is the little bowl with the bleach. We finna get crazy, finna get stupid. I'm not bleaching my hair in my room, y'all, because I'll make a mess. My mother will come in here, and yeah. You know what I forgot to get? Gloves. Okay. We're gonna see how this is gonna work. Fingers gonna be on fire. I'm trying to get all these. Oof. For my females that went through the relaxed stage in their life, this shit smells like the perm when it be freaking roasting your scalp. Because I ain't gonna say burning it, roasting your scalp. But we finna go to the bathroom and get active. Alright, so my roots is lightening up a little bit. I gotta get like these corners over here. But I think I'm gonna just bleach it one more time, just so that my entire head is like a golden blonde color. And then we gonna add this orange up in here and let it rock. Stay tuned. So I missed like this whole perimeter over here and like mainly the back. I kind of like how spotty it looks with the black, and like I'm gonna bleach it one more time. I had to wash the bleach out the first time because I've been scratching my head all night at work, and that bleach was really burning, but like I really have a whole black strip. But I feel like I can make this rock. So let's get back to it. All right, y'all, this is what we looking like. All in the back is pretty golden. I'm waiting for the front to settle in. My scalp is on fire. Like, I'm trying to keep calm. My scalp is on fire, y'all. Like, it's dead on fire. I can't deal. Like, it's a lot. It's a lot. Don't do this at home, kids. This is not the final product, I guess. I just have conditioner in my hair. I'm gonna keep telling y'all this. I drown my scalp, my hair in conditioner, and I guess that's how I keep my curl pattern, because I'm surprised I'm not bald yet as many times as I bleach my hair. First time I ever bleached my hair was back in like 2014, 2015. So I've been bleaching my hair for 5 years. I took, 5 years, because I took a year off. It would have been 6 years, but I stopped bleaching. I had a bet with my homegirl at the time that she would have to stop cutting her hair and I would have to stop dyeing my hair. And then I gave up because I did not care. Like, I wanted to dye my hair and that's what I did, period. But I'm about to let this sit for a little bit, mix up the other hair dye, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. So, we're gonna get started with my orange. But before we get started, shout out to Humble Beginnings Apparel. This shirt's kind of old. I kind of got some bleach on it. Haley, don't be mad at me. But go get your Humble Beginnings merch, man. Support black businesses, support your bros, support people that support you. And that is on what? Period. All right, for real, let's get started because I feel like I've been dyeing my hair for mad long. I got like these little mirrors in my house, so it's like I can see my whole head. So that's what we're finna do. I'm finna get crazy. Y'all not gonna be able to see me for real, because I'm gonna need to see the back of my head. Alright, y'all, so this is what I'm looking like right now. Nothing too crazy, not a bright ass orange, you know, I'm still hella dark, so just bright enough to where you can see the color. But I'm gonna leave this in for a little bit. I'm finna go do what I do, if you know what I mean. And I'm gonna come back at y'all to wash it out. Alright, y'all, so I washed it, conditioned it. Well, I did all that off camera, but I let this conditioner sit for about like 15 minutes. Combed through it. My hair is still here. That's all that matters. And we're about to wash this out and see what I'm about to do to my hair for the day, honestly, because it's a nice day. I'm trying to get active, but if I can't get a cut, I really don't want to get active. All right, y'all, so this is the final. It's like a burnt orange, you know. It looks really cute, actually. I just need a haircut, maybe a little twist down. I really don't dry my hair with a towel. That's why I'm really trying not to like put the towel on my head, because I normally use a t-shirt. But I am going to do a little twist out, get a haircut, and start my day. All right, y'all, so this is the final until I get a haircut. But this is legit the color I was going for. I don't know how I be doing it, but your girl be doing it. Y'all, I feel like I get bleach on every flipping shirt I own. Every shirt I own. Every shirt I own. But you already know. True history of what color? THC. Support black businesses, y'all. Support those who support you. I'm gonna try to shout out mad of the black business merch that I do have on every channel, so stay tuned. I said every channel and I meant every vlog. If y'all get annoyed, so be it. I don't care, because guess what? Black owned businesses are the best, period. But I'm really digging this color, y'all. I thought it was gonna look like a Duracell battery, but I really don't look like a Duracell battery, so. Or do I? Let me know. Like right now, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if I look like a Duracell battery. But I'm really digging this color. I know when I get a cut, it's gonna be lit. I low-key want to add pink to my tips, but I'm gonna let my hair breathe today because I did put mad chemicals in my hair. And I keep telling this to myself, like, I'm surprised I still got hair on my head. But, oh, the other thing I want to show y'all. Why, when I was washing my hair, your girl package came in the mail. I got some new shades. First of all, y'all already know I had to get a regular gold frame. And then I had got these shades because my mom used to have frames like these. It's like I don't know how to call it, but it's like cheetah print. My mom used to have frame like these, but they wasn't clear lens. They was like actual shades, and I lost them. So these reminded me of my mommy, so that's why I got them. Shout out to sis, you know, mama fly in the building. She be doing her thing. And then I really wanted these frames so bad, and I've been beasting to get them. And now that I got my little shortcut, oh, we finna do something with these shades on. Like, wait till I find a fit, because y'all ain't finna tell me nothing, period. But stay tuned to when I get my haircut. I'm gonna add it at the end. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. What is it gonna be? I don't know, but it's gonna be entertaining. We're gonna get crazy. I'm gonna start featuring more of my family and like my bros, like my actual brothers and my nephew in my video. But we finna start some prank wars. We finna start just, you know, having family mukbangs and all this other stuff. So stay tuned to meet the fam, and I'ma holla at y'all.